It's raining 4 a.m., I'm still awake, thinking about the promises we couldn't make. The city's asleep, but my mind won't rest, trying to forget, but I can't do my best. Raining 4 a.m., falling down again, mixing with the memories and all this pain. Everybody says that I'll be okay, but they don't hear the thoughts that stay. The moonlight shines through my empty room, and loneliness became my favorite tune. Pictures on the wall, stories in my mind, trying to leave the past behind. I still remember your favorite perfume, the way you laugh and light up the room. But now it's quiet, nothing feels right, and every dream disappears at night. Another cigarette burns too fast, just like the memories from our past. And every scar I try to hide still hurts me deep inside. Everybody changes, everybody leaves. Some people stay only in memories. I learned that love can break your soul and leave you feeling incomplete and cold. Maybe one day I'll smile again, without drowning in all this pain. Until then I'll just survive, trying to keep myself alive. Rain keeps falling from above, just like tears from a broken love. Maybe tomorrow will be bright, but I'm still fighting tonight. It's raining